How to report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside app, simply tap on the order option which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the order section, simply find and select the specific order that had the issue. And here, once you open the order details, simply scroll down and tap on help. Or alternatively, you can simply go to the account tab, and now here you can simply scroll down and tap on help, and here on the new page you can simply tap on help with an order. And now here you can simply select the order that you are having a problem with and then choose the specific issues like missing item, incorrect item, or any other delivery issues. Just tap on the relevant option, and after choosing the issue, you'll be asked to select the item affected, describe the problem in the few words, and optionally you can upload a photo specially for incorrect items. And once done, you can just tap on submit, and Uber Eats will usually respond within minutes and offer a refund or a Uber Cash credit. And that's it. That's how you can report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats using the app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.